morning.
Morning.
From a misty Orkney.
Yeah, my hood up, my hair's going to go fuzzy.
Got here about 8:30 last night. Parked up in the car park that you can see down the road there behind us. And the ferry terminal's just there. It's just left this morning, the first sailing's just left to go back to Scrabster. But managed to use the showers as shower and laundry block in the ferry terminal as well. So it's £1 for a shower. Don't know how much the laundry is because it didn't look, but yeah, you can get a decent shower in there for
really clean,
for £1.
really nice as
really
well.
clean. So this morning we are going to have a wander into Stromness. I mean, it's early Sunday morning, so there might not be anything open.
That's right, just have a look.
We're just going to have a wander. Then we're going to go down to, there's a campsite not too far from here where if you make a donation you can empty your grey black waste
And get water.
and top up with your water. So we're going to do that. And then after that we are going to head to Skara Brae and then the Orkney brewery. So that's the plan for today, but we might obviously find other things along the way.
Yeah.
So, right, we'll see you in a bit. Very quiet high street this morning. Mind, it's not even 9 o'clock yet, is it?
No, it's not.
On
We was up
Sunday.
well early.
I know.
But that's alright.
I set the alarm clock early.
The days are going so quick.
I know. I set the alarm early so we could get down to the terminal and get in the showers before it got too busy.
But it wasn't. There was no one in there, was there?
No. I believe this or not, but about a week or so ago, and I got a message from somebody off the Orkney Facebook page
With the same surname.
with the same surname. Turns out that it was John Gator. And those that are Time Team fans will know he's the geophysicist on there. And got chatting and said we'd need to meet up for a drink when we're on here.
Yeah.
We've just bumped into him in the street. I should have took a photo. Should have took
Well,
a photo,
let's take
but
one. If we see him again, just take a
we will
photo.
be seeing him again because he's going to
Yeah.
be on the same ferry as us. He said to Shetland, so we might have a drink on there
Yeah.
and have a catch up on the ferry. How about that?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, so just managed to empty our toilet cassette, empty our wastewater and top up with fresh water for a donation of £5
That's alright.
here at
isn't
Nest Point Caravan and Camping Park. Guy was really friendly and helpful, so for £5 I think that's absolutely
Yeah.
worth it.
It is, isn't it?
Yep. So right, let's head on to,
You're going up there.
oh yeah,
we just there?
going up to Ness Battery, which is just on the top of the hill up there. So we're gonna have a check that out and see what that's all about.
Yeah. Before we could get on the road.
Before we get on the road again.
Find some more things.
Right, well, Ness Battery was a bit of a failure.
Oh, that was a
It
nightmare.
was a nightmare to try and find somewhere to stop
Yeah.
and park. So, giving that a miss for now. Might try it again in a few days' time. But for now, we have come to Skara Brae,
Yeah.
somewhere else I've always wanted to visit. So that was a replica of one of the houses that we've just been in there.
So
Now we're going to go and see the
we'll walk back in
original.
time,
So look at that,
500 years.
5,000 years.
5,000 years to Skara Brae, village of Skara Brae. It's how windy. First man on the moon.
1969. Telephone invented 1876.
Alright.
So there's these plaques taking you back in time, and I didn't realise that the Great Wall of China was built 220 years before the birth of Christ.
How do they know?
How do they know? So you can visit Scale House, the home of the 7th Laird of Breckness, the man who discovered Skara Brae. You can go in free with your Skara Brae ticket. So we can go in there after and get warmed up as well.
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll have a big roaring fire.
Yes. Nice hot
Now we're
twig.
just about to enter Skara Brae. Ho, ho, ho. Been looking forward to this.
Yes.
I've so been looking forward to seeing this. Yeah, it was thought that 50 to 100 people actually lived in this small community. This building here in front of us is actually the workshop. It's the only building in the settlement which was not a house. Well, I'll tell you what, they certainly had some harsh conditions to live in, didn't they? And
Just?
it's like today, and this is September.
Yeah.
So Skara was hidden for, believed to be around 4,500 years. It was only discovered in 1850 when a sandstorm, well, when a storm blew all the sand from the top. So getting off the ferry yesterday, bumped into some subscribers.
I know. I'll post a picture here so you can see yourselves.
Well, we didn't get a chance to get a picture last night, did
No,
we?
so I just got one now.
Just seen them again here at Skara Brae. So hi, Pete,
Jamie, Leah, and Sabina. Yeah. Hi.
Nice to meet you,
I'll put your picture here so you can see yourselves.
and thanks for watching our videos.
Yes.
Much appreciated. So just coming into Scale House, which you can get in with your Skara Brae tickets, which for those that want to come, it was £25 for me and Anna to get in.
That's not bad, is
So I'm
it?
happy to pay because it's somewhere I really wanted to see. That was absolutely well worth going in.
Wasn't it? Yeah.
Enjoyed that.
Really good. Really nice to see.
Can check that off the bucket list now. Oh dear. If you're up this way, it's worth a visit. You've got to come and see it.
Oh, it's nice.
Absolutely.
It takes you back thinking how those people survived in them little houses, but there must be that first one we went in. The
Yeah, that
replica,
one there,
was
the
really
replica.
warm.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Imagine having a fire going in there as well, and you're cooking around it.
I
And
think with the glass roof as well, though.
yeah, probably better insulated than some of the modern day houses we've got now.
Totally.
But if
Right.
you're ever up here, Skara Brae, on Orkney, pay a visit.
Definitely.
I'm so glad we've done it. Where's parking? Car park. The shop should be. So after visiting Skara Brae, we've come here to a more recent piece of history. This is Twatt Airfield, yeah, Twatt Airfield, or HMS Tern. It was an old Royal Naval Air Station. Just had a quick bit of lunch there in the van. Just parked here on the old Royal Naval Air Station. Anna's happy to sit in the van there, and me and Ida are going to have a wander, see what we can find. It's not the sort of place that Anna would wander into. Just reading the plaque here, and Twatt Airfield, HMS Tern, here in Twatt. It was opened on the 1st of April 1941 and closed on the 30th of September 1946. It's just a shame that there's no plaques They tell you what each of the buildings were. Not sure if that's the original. Could well be. Just gonna chill for the afternoon, wait for the tide to go out so we can get over there.
Yep.
That's the Brough of Brae, and we've parked just in the car park there. I think that's where we're going to stay for the evening.
Yeah.
It's kind of busy though, isn't it?
It's fine.
It's kind of windy.
Yeah, hat on. A bit different to yesterday when we were sitting outside the pub in the sunshine.
It is, isn't it, actually?
Yeah,
just a bit.
But we're walking over here to what?
Fisherman's hut.
And something
It's been
else.
restored. And back again. I had to check what it was that we were actually walking to. It's got an unusual name. It's called Skara Geo.
Right.
So hopefully we'll find out what that is when we get there.
We interrupt this video today for today's sponsor, Fitville. Both Steve and I were asked to choose a pair of shoes. I chose Queen's Key as flip-flops, as I love flip-flops. I chose these because I read that they've got arch support, which helps with balance, and if you know me, I need balance because I'm always falling over. They also have slip-resistant sole and cushion comfort for circulation and pressure relief. They also have Velcro strap for easy adjustment.
Okay, so I went for the Amadeus tennis court shoe. They've got a spacious wide toe box, which is good for me because I like to wear thick walking socks. I am slightly flat-footed, so these provide a good level of support, and I can certainly feel the difference in my knees, particularly when walking downhill. They've got breathable uppers and provide a good supportive heel cup. So Fitville have been very generous in providing you with a 28% discount.
That you can use as Gator 28 at checkout.
And we'll put that below.
Here, somewhere. Thanks for watching.
Back to the video. Well, here's the restored fisherman's hut. And at this point, the microphones decided to fail us. So here's a quick bit of info for you. The fisherman's hut is a restored 19th century hut built into the side of the cliff. The deep grooves that you can see in the ground, called naus or noosts, show where fishermen drew their boats up high onto the shore for protection during the winter. Skara Geo is a natural harbour that is thought to date back to the Viking times. See those kids behind us?
We didn't film them.
We didn't film them, but that's what kids should be doing.
They're out crabbing and they've got starfish, and the little boys just told us that a male crab has got a V on it, triangle, and the female's a circle.
Yeah.
So.
Which we didn't know.
No.
For those that missed it last week, Anna's making bread again in the Omnia oven.
Yeah, it's got some haggis. I want a haggis roll. Yeah.
Or fresh bread with haggis.
Yeah.
Right. What's this one you're making? Is this
It's the same one. I've got a different one in there.
So it's cheddar and sun-dried tomato bread mix. That was 69p,
Oh, I can't remember.
I think, from Lidl.
Just so nice to make your own, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what you do in the van. But I'm going to get some fruit and make puddings and that. Cake. Because I paid £3.90 for a slice of cake yesterday.
I know, it was ridiculous,
so
wasn't it?
It's easier just to bake our own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the view Anna's got. Just outside Kirkwall, while she makes the bread. Another park up for the night. and I am going to go in there.
Feel free.
Well, I can't use all my dive gear, so I might as well just use the wetsuit. Let's go and try the water.
He's brave, I'll give him that. Go Steve.
Well, as you can see, we had a cracking park up last night. Well, we spent most of yesterday here actually. Scarpa Beach, and that is Scarpa Flow out there. Some history to that which we're going to explore later during the week. And that's where we've parked. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we've had strong winds since about 3 o'clock this morning. So the plan is we're going to move on from here. We're going to move into Kirkwall itself, a little bit closer to town. Got a few bits and pieces need to do, some things to pick up, and kind of ride the bad weather out there, because there's been some severe weather warnings issued for strong winds and heavy rain in the area. So rather than waste the day, I'm just going to change the plans around a little bit, move closer into Kirkwall, maybe have a wander around town there, because it'll hopefully be a little less windy, and do what we need to do, and then plan again for later on. But yeah, we're going to move now whilst we've got the opportunity, and see how the rest of the day pans out. But it was a fantastic park up here last night, nice and peaceful, right on the beach, with some awesome views. Well, we've moved from the Scarpa Beach, we've moved into town. We've just decided we're going to take a quick walk out. And the ferry that's just gone is the one we're going to be getting on to Ahoy.